Okay, welcome back guys. So we're going to be importing the our models into Zbrush. Let's start. So I'm not going to be using the same file I used for the main character because I don't think my PC will be able to handle it. I don't think my PC will be able to handle other meshes in there with a higher poly count. So I'm going to be using a different file for this. I'm going to be using a different file for this. So I would, okay, so let's import the base mesh on top of this. Should be in the Z exports, should be this piece. Okay, this is the exact same model we used. This is the exact same mesh we used in Marvelous Designer for creating the garment, so you can still use this as a base. Then I'm going to do an append. Just append a sphere, select that sphere. So Z imports. So we have let's start with the English shirts. Z English shirts. Okay. This is what we have. So we have a total poly count of around 8k. Which is fine. You can work with this. It fits nicely on the character, which is fine. That's exactly what we want. Then I'll do another append again. Then I'm going to import the Z hoodie in here. I was listening to make some corrections to this, so for the proportions, especially for not for the hoodie though, but for the English shirt instead, just to bring this out, or probably even the both. Push in and then bring this out. Okay. Alright. Okay, yes, append. You can append any shape actually, so as long as you're importing it, as long as the object is selected and then you import your mesh on top of that. Okay. This is looking cool already. Let me just solo the trousers. Let's see what we have. Alright. I might even end up raising this piece up a bit higher. But once I'm gonna try something, let's subdivide this. Okay, it seems to be holding up nicely. We're not getting too much separation in between those seam lines. There isn't too much separation in between the seam lines, which is fine. That is precisely what we want. Okay. Should probably delete that. So let me just do a quick save for this. Let me do a quick save for this. Since we have successfully imported all the meshes we need, just name this you can name it anything you want though. Alright, so this is also importing this in. So in the next lesson we'll start working on making adjustments to this and kind of make this fit properly. Kind of making sure the proportions are okay. So if I should subdivide this, still maintaining most of the shape, though there seems to be some gap in here, but that's fine, we'll fix that. That's completely fine. Also we can do like an auto group in here, I think. Let's try the auto group, let's see what that gives us. Okay, you can see how the auto group kind of separates this out even properly. So we even have a bit more or better control, over this to kind of adjust this however we want. And the topology seems to be holding up. Quite nicely. Yeah, the topology is holding up quite nicely, which is also what we want. So we are all good in here. This looks completely fine. We can definitely work with this. Okay. Probably one thing that is missing in here is the seam line around here. So I'm going to show you guys how to create your own seam line. Even when there are no seam lines in here. So we can create our own default seam line. Probably even create seam line for the back also, just to make that feel slightly interesting. Right.